guys, how you doing? Mark here on the road with you, making another cool video, really awesome video. And by the way, if you like these awesome videos, or even if you just hate them and you want to make fun of them, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the I can't stand this video button. I don't care what it is, but do something, take action somewhere along the way. That's the main thing, take action. Today's Tuesday, and I was supposed to get my American Bill Money postcards out yesterday, and I absolutely did not. I had to rush off, forgot all about it, so it's kind of screwed up my routine. But I am picking up stamps today. They are going in the mail today, so and even though during this time of year, I mean, it's December 11th, 12th, yes, December 12th, I don't necessarily think it's a great time, or I'm not going to say it's not a great time to market. It's always a good time to market, but it's more difficult right now to get the sales. Does that mean you need to be a little bit more conservative in your marketing? And the answer is no. You do not need to be conservative in your marketing. You need to continue to be as consistent as you were in August and be as consistent as you plan on being in January. January is a huge, huge month for marketing online or for doing anything that where there's change, where people are looking to change something about their own lives, whether it's increase their income, get into a business, their own business or whatever. Everyone makes those resolutions, and people are typically, especially at the beginning, are typically willing to jump in there in the deep end of the pool, and then about 90% of those people won't end up doing anything. And don't be a 90%er, be a 10%er, or better yet, be a 1%er. Follow through. Now, the one thing that I will tell you is, with that said, with all the marketing advice and whatnot being said, you need to check out the Power Lead System stuff that I'm working on now. People are getting phenomenal results, and to be honest with you, that's the main reason why I signed up. Everybody that I saw that was getting involved in our co-op, was getting involved in our group, was making money. Everyone. Not just one or two people, but everyone following the plan was making money. Okay, listen to me one more time. Let me say it one more time. Everyone that was using the system and using the co-op is making money. They're generating sales. They're generating leads, generating sales. Maybe I need to say it once more. Everyone that is following the plan is making money. So why wouldn't you get involved? And if you are looking to get involved in that right now, go ahead and go to leadcoachmark.com. That's L-E-A-D, leadcoachmark.com. You can go through the presentation. You can put in your fake email address if that's what you want to do. You can do, and I wouldn't do that. I would put in an email address where you're going to get some stuff, because there's going to be some information coming your way. And then what I'll do is I'll probably give you a call, or I'll send you an email and let you know what time our group training is. I'll tell you, it's Sunday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern. And I will probably see if I can't do some other trainings as well on those Tuesdays and Thursday nights that I like to train on. But check it out. What's the harm? I never understand people. And I understand, it's that time of the year where you may not be ready to jump on board with anything, and that's fine. But January's right around the corner. You got your resolution, right? You're ready to start your own business. You're ready to quit that freaking job that you can't stand. And guys, this program, both programs, American Bill Money and this program, both can help you with your income goals. There's no question about that. Now, as I've spoken, the last few videos, I've talked about how I'm going towards more e-commerce stuff. And I don't just mean going to Alibaba and buying a bunch of cheap shit and then putting it out there on Amazon or creating a Shopify store with the latest drop shipper. I'm actually creating some things, some products that I'm going to sell in Shopify stores, and there are some things through Amazon FBA program that I'm really kind of interested in. So I don't know what to tell you. Main thing is, though, guys, if you're really interested in doing something, make sure you get a hold of me. Make sure you call me. My phone number, and I'll put it in the description below the video, but my phone number is area code 254-631-9396. You can call that phone number. I will answer, or leave a message if I don't, and I'll call you back. But the point being is, go ahead and call, and I'll give you the times, and I'll give you the place and location for our meeting, okay? And I'll send you a link so that you can go to our meeting, our Google Hangout, and you can see what people are doing. Everybody is doing quite well with this program, so why not? Why not give it a shot? It could be that one time where you did something and it actually worked out, or it could be that one time or many times where you walked away and it was something that really worked. So, and you don't want to be in that position. You don't want to be in that boat, where you're going to see me flying my plane and then you're going to be like, oh, I need that guy. I thought about joining up with that guy once upon a time. It's like I said, everyone following the program is generating sales. Everyone that's following the program is generating some sort of income. So, don't miss out. And like I said, call me, 254-631-9396. I'll put that phone number in the description. Guys, leadcoachmark.com. Check that out. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. I'll see you at the top.